Maritime shipping has been disrupted across the Strait of Hormuz ever since the West Asia crisis began on February 28, when the US and Israel launched missile and air strikes on Iran. Vessels sailing through the key waterway, which carried up to 20% of the world's oil supplies before the conflict, have faced attacks from Iran as part of its effort to control the strait. A US-led naval blockade of Iranian ports, imposed in April, has further complicated the situation. Multiple India-linked vessels, as well as ships carrying Indian crew, have also faced attacks and disruption. On Thursday, the Indian embassy in Muscat said it was closely monitoring a situation involving a vessel off Oman's Shinas port, without providing further details. On Wednesday, the Palau-flagged oil tanker Sete Bello, carrying 24 Indian crew members, came under US attack off the coast of Oman. 3 crew members were killed in the incident. On June 8th, another Palau-flagged tanker carrying 24 Indian crew members also came under attack by the US Navy, which alleged that the vessel was attempting to evade the US blockade of Iranian ports. In May, the Indian-flagged vessel Haji Ali was struck by an unidentified explosive object in Omani waters, causing it to sink. All crew members survived and were rescued. Earlier in March, the Palau-flagged oil tanker MT Skylight came under Iranian attack near the Strait of Hormuz, in which 2 Indian seafarers lost their lives. In another incident involving the Marshall Islands-flagged MKD Vyom, 1 Indian national was killed. India has strongly condemned attacks on merchant shipping at the United Nations. New Delhi has also lodged formal protests and called for restraint and the protection of civilians.